Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come on and show you all of the new dies that are going to be available at Scrap Diva Designs on November 1st. So lots of great dies. I'm going to show you all the dies. I made a couple of them already, so I'll show you those as well. And I'll have a referral link down below in the description box if you click on that and place an order. I do get a commission, which I really appreciate. It doesn't cost you anything extra. And also don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout for 10% off, and that code is strawberry cream, all one word. All right, so let's get started, and of course I'll come back on with more project videos once I get some more things made up. But these are the dies for this release, and this first one, the names are on the back, is called Christmas Words #1, and these are a great size for cards, scrapbooks, all of your holiday projects. So this one has jolly, angel, tinsel, I think that says carols, not colors. And then Rudolph and mistletoe. So a great assortment of words. Then there's a couple more. This one is Christmas Words #2. This one has holly, chimney, hot cocoa. Let's see, traditions. That looks like, I think that's Christmas. And then this one is sleigh bells. So another great assortment. If you can, get a few of them. There's probably going to be a bundle. I'm not quite sure yet. This one is Christmas Words #3. So this one says peppermints. Oh, that'll be great for, peppermint candy, gingerbread kind of projects. This one says December. This one says claws. So I assume, yep, there's Santa there. And then there's cards, candy, and candles. And then this one, oh, I said that one already. Okay, so that is Christmas Words #3. So looking forward to putting all those together. I love to go ahead and put them together in colors I think I'm going to use, because then when I'm ready to use them on a project, they're good to go. Okay, this next one, look at that gingerbread. How cute is that? This one is called the Gingerbread Garland. And I did see a sneak peek. One of Erica's design team members, I don't remember who it was off the top of my head, but she put one together already, and it is so cute. You can use, cut it out as many times as you want to make a garland, and then there are holes that punch out on the hand. And she used ribbons through there, which was so adorable. Any kind of stringing material you want. You could use some pretty twine. We all have nice twine and yarn and stuff. Even eyelash trim would look really nice. But anyway, so it comes with the gingerbread person, a few different expressions for their face, icing layering pieces, ties, bow ties. This is a lace for the collar. There's a dress, more icing, another bow. This is a scarf, and this, that looks like a piece to reinforce where the garland goes, probably in the back. I would assume maybe that's in between them. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's probably in between, and you could just use that maybe instead of, you could use that instead of ribbon or anything. So if you want to just make it a paper garland, you could go ahead and use that. And then there's some more icing for the head. So this is a great size, and this will be wonderful to make, garlands, of course, but then you can make it into ornaments or card fronts, whatever you want. So there's that one. Let me move these guys up. And then we have this one, which is called, this is the Elf mini album. And I think I saw this one already too. So this is huge, as you could see. And it makes a mini album in the shape of, I think it's an elf. Is it a face or just the body? I don't know, because let's see. Looks like that's the top and then the belt. So probably the body and the head. I really don't know, you guys. We'll have to look online to see. And then it comes with the jingle bells. Everything is stitched, all the layering pieces. There's a great rectangle there to use for other projects as well. So that'll be fun to make, of course. The next one is called the Mr. Nutcracker Cake. So this one, I don't know if I've seen yet, but look at how cute that is. So it makes like a cake, but with a nutcracker topping. So this you can make in traditional Christmas colors or pastel, whatever you want. Lots of layering pieces, icing and swirls, and let's see what else is on here. A cherry for the top. How cute is that? So if you're into pastel Christmas, this would be really fun to, making like a candy theme. Of course, any, colors you use would be good for that. Cute base for the Nutcracker. So, yep, that's the Mr. Nutcracker cake. Next we have, let me move over a little bit. This one is called the A2 card front shadow frame. So this is a shadow frame you can make to put on your A2 size cards. So you can put a cute little Christmas scene in there, or whatever kind of scene you want, or just shaker bits and make it really fun. So this is going to be practical for Christmas and for lots of other seasons as well. Next we have the Elf Shoe mini album. Look at how cute that is. Such a cute little elf shoe. It's not little, it's pretty big. And then it comes with the jingle bells as well. You could put on the toe of the boot, or if this is the cuff, you can hang them from the points on the cuff. And then it comes with the spine part, which is really nice. So super cute. You could fit embellishments in there or little pictures. The next one is the Branches and Ornament Wreath set. So look at how beautiful this is. So lots of different layering pieces. You could cut this out of all the same kind of paper or different papers, or you can just like paint them with watercolors after you cut them out of plain paper. So this is going to be really pretty, a beautiful embellishment for your holiday cards, I think, or mini albums. Look at that one. Isn't that so pretty, the way the branches go out? Yeah, I love that. Very, very nice. And of course, you can use these pieces on other projects as well. Next, we have the Slimline House add-on roof set. Oh, I don't think I have the Slimline House one, unless it's in this pack. I didn't look through it too much. I took a few out to work with, but yeah, so these are the roofs that can go onto if you have the Slimline houses, this can make it into like a Christmas version with the icing. One's stitched, one's not. Looks like they probably layer together. And then there's that cute little gingerbread, nice tree, looks like snow for chimneys and other decorations, candy canes, candy swirls, and even a little bow tie for the gingerbread. So that's super cute. Next we have the Elf Bow Small, and next we have the Elf Bow Large. So two different sizes. You could see there's quite a difference in the size. So yeah, it would make looks like an elf. So I'll have to look at this on the website. I'm not sure exactly how it comes together, but it makes an elf apparently. So make sure, I'll try to, I'll link Scrap Diva Designs down below with my referral link. And then if you just go to the new releases or new arrivals on November 1st or after, these will be shown in there with examples. Next we have the Nutcracker. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. All the layering pieces to make a cute Nutcracker. Look at even the embossing lines on the shoulder pads, or whatever those are called, a crown. This will be fun to paper piece a candle too. Very, very nice. I love Nutcrackers, and I think they're really in style and decorating now. I see them all over the place. That's good to make this Christmas season. Next we have a few more. This one is very full. This one is the 3D mini claw machine. Oh yeah, and there's probably dies on the inside too. Let's see. So I did see somebody make something with this, and this is kind of spectacular, this die set. Hang on, let me just open it up. Okay, the plastic was stuck to the tape, so I just ripped it off. Okay, so it comes with these pieces. And these are just dividing pieces, or buffers, because there's dies on the inside. So those are the inside dies, and then that's what was on the outside of the package. And this says winner, cute, with the exclamation point, and this one says candy. Oh, that'll be fun. I hope there's a tutorial on the site already, because I would love to watch that and put this together. What do these say? Good luck, with the exclamation point too. So lots and lots of pieces. Oh my gosh, this is going to be fun. How cute. Okay, so that's a 3D claw machine. Then this one, I put this together and I did show it on Instagram already as a sneak peek. This is called the Memorydex Gingerbread Shaker, and it makes a cute little Memorydex card with the gingerbread ornament and a shaker. And it does come with sugar and spice as a sentiment with the shadow piece. So let me show you the one that I made. And this is it. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I love how this came out. It was really easy to put together too. Of course, I used my pastel colors. And I love that it comes with the sugar and spice, and it's all one piece. See, it's connected with the ampersand there. So very, very easy to, paper piece. And I popped that up on some pink foam. I used my Walmart pen and gear foam for the shaker part. And I did use all of the layering pieces that it comes with. If you could see, like the icing and the bow and the top of the ornaments. And then these cut out from the die set as well. I did use, these are little clay bits I have, little like gingerbread hearts. So I used that for the embellishment for the bow and for on the sugar and spice. And I added a doodlebug sticker for the candy cane there. And just, different shaker bits from my stash. That's Doodlebug Gingerbread Kisses paper back there and here as well. So yeah, I think it came out really, really cute. I just used the insert that popped out of the ornament here and just put it on the back just to add a little stability, and that way I can add my information on the back too. But let me measure this quick to show you how big it is. This one from top to bottom is about 4.5 inches. Side to side, not including the sentiment, because of course you could put that wherever you want, is about 3 3/8 approximately. So yeah, I did some inking on the edge of the gingerbread too to make it look a little bit baked. So I thought that came out so cute. And then I have one more to show you. This one I made up too. This one is called the mini bottle pocket tag. And I wanted to put this together because I think this is a great embellishment if you're giving someone a bottle of wine or, maybe a scotch they like or something for Christmas. Even if they don't drink alcohol, you could put it on like a bottle of coffee syrups. I saw some beautiful ones at Home Goods today. Oh, they're so pretty. And if you add one of these bottle tags to it, what a great embellishment, right? So it comes with the tag part here. Whoops, just dropped a piece. Hang on. Okay, sorry, got so excited. And then here's the pocket that you could put on top of that as well with the gussets. And then there are layering pieces right here. This is a layering piece for the front of the pocket. This one is a layering piece for that as well. So it makes it really nice and sturdy. Let me show you what I made. And again, I use the Doodlebug Gingerbread Kisses. Isn't this so cute? And it was so easy to put together. All you have to do is cut out everything once and then just, kind of glue it down. The pocket was so simple to make, just fold on the score lines. I added some double-sided tape to the flaps that tape onto the tag itself. So yeah, makes it nice and wide too. So if you wanted to, you could add like a gift card there. So get out my trusty Target gift card and see it fits perfectly in there. And, any other kind of embellishments you wanted to put in there, maybe, like a homemade cookie or something to go with, a bottle of whatever you're making. So yeah, I did use all the layering pieces. This is a piece of, well, it's either ephemera. I think it's a cut apart from Gingerbread Kisses, but everything else is, just using the dies. So isn't that cute? This is, let's see, let me measure this for you. It's about almost 6 inches from top to bottom. Side to side, counting the layering pieces, is just over 3 inches. And I love the scallops and the little dots that are added, right? Isn't that so pretty? So I thought this was a great little embellishment for your wine bottles and, whatever kind of bottle you want to give or decorate. So that's all I have to share with you today. Another great release, Erica. I am so excited to work on some more of these dies. So don't forget to use my referral link down below, guys. And of course, the coupon code Strawberry Cream to get 10% off of your order. So if you have any questions or want me to make something right away, please leave me a comment. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone. Bye.